as part of the head of government, the executive, to see you launch your 2023-2024 legal year is really a privilege. And I have to say that I feel very happy to be in your midst and to say that I wish you a successful legal year. It's important to say a successful legal year. For the past 1 week or more, we've been hearing the negative stories. At least for once, let us hear something that is different from the bad news. So I feel happy. And I have to say that I'm even overjoyed that my Oga is here with us. So I have to welcome you specially for coming to chair us in this event. Promises we made to our people that will continue to give you development upon development. We are not going to go back on that. So I want to thank you for your support and also say that, please, we need peace. Everybody should just relax. We need peace. For us to progress in the state, we can only do that in an atmosphere of peace. Please, let me thank the church for your prayer. I know that you have always been there for us. This is the time that we need more and more of this prayer. I have to say this with all amount of emphasis. My Oga remains my Oga. Whatever that has happened is past. I want us to continue to pray for the peace and development of this state. Please, I'm begging, I've not sent anybody to malign anybody. That is the truth. So I'm appealing to you, please, let's give peace a chance.